Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your XIAOMI 17T Pro. So what we're going to do is we're going to check our cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. So if you got a charging cable with you, then I would recommend checking it out. Now of course, I got the charger right here. It is for USB-A, and we can plug USB-A to USB-C for an example, but everything is fine with it, although it is not compatible with fast charging, so that's why I'm not using it. And of course we need to check for the damage that is visible and for compatibility. So now we're gonna move on, and we can clean our charging port with a non-metallic tool. So we can use something like a soft brush. It is very important. We got the charging port at the bottom, but you guys know that. I still want to show you how it looks in case you just don't know. So it's normal, it happens. What are we gonna do now? After cleaning it with a soft brush, for an example, we can make sure that we go into the settings, battery, and here charging options. Here, as you guys can see, here we have wired charging mode. And if it's set to standard, then that's why your fast charging is not working. It should be set up to top speed. And now of course your device might heat up a little more, but now that means the fast charging is working properly. So you can test another fast charger or change an outlet, plug your charger somewhere else, see if that fixes the issue. Maybe it's just the electricity. And as a last resort, what we want to do is we want to update our software to fix any charging glitches. So let's scroll up, go to About Phone, tap on the HyperOS, and it is checking for updates automatically. I got no new updates available, but if you do, then I would recommend updating it. You'll have the button where the Xiaomi community button is for me. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.